Welcome to one and all. Today we are going to discussing about advanced IC engines. Unit number 4, alternative fuel. Introduction of the alternative fuel is classified as two types: conventional fuels, alternative fuels. Fossil fuels are conventional fuels. Fossil fuels like as petroleum, coal, and nuclear materials such as uranium. Then alternative fuels, also known as non-conventional fuels. Any materials or substance that can be used as fuels other than conventional fuels, which is conceived to provide energy to power an engine. First, ethanol, mainly produced by the sugar fermentation process, can also be manufactured by the chemical process of reacting ethylene with steam. A clear colorless liquid, it is biodegradable, low in toxicity, and causes little environmental pollutions if split. Ethanol is a high octane fuel and has replaced lead as an octane enhancer in petrol, widely sold in the United States. Advantages and disadvantages of this fuel. Advantages of this fuel is much cleaner, it burns more cleaner, can reduce the net emission of greenhouse gases. The fuel spills are more easily biodegraded or diluted to non-toxic concentrations. Can use any plant for production. Disadvantages of this fuel is destroyed habitats including rainforests, will increase food prices in the world. Pure ethanol is also difficult to vaporize. Then liquid petroleum gas (LPG), clean burning fossil fuel that can be used to power internal combustion engine. Lower amount of some harmful emission and greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. Mostly the LPG used in US states. Transport this is used as transportation fuel since 1912. Then propane. Propane is stored as a liquid in a relatively low pressure tank. The supply of propane to the engine is controlled by a regulator or vaporizers, which converts the liquid propane to vapor. The vapor is fed to a mixer located near the intake manifold valve, where it is metered and mixed with filtered air before being drawn into the combustion chamber, where it is burned to produce power. Then advantages of this fuel: 90% of propane used in US comes from domestic sources, less expensive gasoline, potentially lower toxic carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and non-methane hydrocarbon. Disadvantages of this is fuel is limited availability, less readily available than gasoline and diesel. Fewer miles on a tank of fuel. Then biodiesel. Biodiesel contains no petroleum, but it can be blended at any level with petroleum diesel. To create a biodiesel blended in different concentrations of B100, B20, B5, and B2. It can be used in compression ignition engines with little or no modifications. Biodiesel is a form of diesel fuel manufactured from vegetable oil, animal fats, recycled restaurant greases, etc. Then properties of this fuel is properties of LPG. Color, it has colorless both as liquid and vapor. LPG is only half of the weight of water. LPG as a gas twice heavier than air. This is odorless. Ethyl mercaptan is added as an odorant. Then plus point and fire point are this propane and butane. Propane flash point is 104 degrees Celsius, then butane 60 degrees Celsius. Boiling point at atmospheric pressure, propane boils at 40 degrees Celsius, butane boils at 2 degrees Celsius. This varies with vapor pressure. Then LPG, liquid expansion. For LPG is 12 times higher than of water. Latent heat of evaporation. Heat of evaporation for LPG is 1/6 of that of water. Propane 102, butane 102. Therefore, liquid LPG requires only a small amount of heat to become gaseous. LPG liquid to gas expansion. Volume of liquid will create 250 volumes of vapor. One volume of liquid could create up to 12,500 volumes of flammable mixtures. Types of fire incidents happen before, like normal fire, flash fire, blue, UVCE. It has incidents happened before 1966 4th Jan. During winter, these incidents occurred in an oil refinery located at Fuisson near Lens in France. This cap profile spare was 1200 M3 and it was around 3/4 full at the time of prior of the incident. Then Mexico disaster. This was occurred on 19th November 1984 at Permit plant. This caused due the release of liquid LPG from supplying line. Spare contained around 6,500 tons LPG prior to the incident. This is the diagram before after Mexico City disaster caused widespread damage both within and outside. Thank you.